Have you ever noticed how the milk section at your grocery store is actually quite colorful? The white cartons contrast with the bright colors of the different caps and labels. You've probably never realized it, but you most likely shop for your milk based on color instead of reading the label. The reason for that is because milk label color corresponds with the milk's percentage of fat. 2% milk equals blue or yellow. Most brands use blue or light blue caps to denote 2% milk. At certain grocery stores, you'll see 2% milk with a yellow label. 1% milk equals green. The color green is typically used for 1% milk. Whole milk equals red. Whole milk labels are red so that they stand out from the reduced fat and skim milk. Skim milk equals purple. Skim milk, or non-fat milk, has a purple cap indicating that it contains little to no fat. Not all grocery stores and brands follow this coloring system, so make sure to double-check the wording on the label before you throw the blue-capped milk in your cart.